Alright guys, so welcome back to this final episode of the series for our office renovation. It took us a while, but it was pretty fun, and we're just excited to show you the final product.
Yeah, a little bit of our artwork, little DIYs that we did, and just a little touch of who we are in our office, and we want to share with you guys. So
yeah.
Hopefully you enjoy it.
Alright guys, so we're going to start with this wall. Basically what we got going here is a huge blackboard that we did our DIY, and I don't know, you want to say anything about this?
Yeah, so if you haven't seen this video, it's basically acrylic. Why acrylic? We both like the view of a chalkboard, but we don't like the feeling of the chalk.
Yeah, so...
But basically... Oh, you want to say?
I mean, we make it a dry erase, black dry erase board for that purpose.
Yeah, so basically it has black on back, and then we scratched off our own art. Everything goes on this board, whether it's our to-do list, ask stuff we want to buy, things we have to remember. But also this wall kind of symbolizes where we're coming from and where we're at now. So basically I did the El Paso and Austin. They both have places in our hearts. So this wall is mainly to symbolize who we are, where we come from. Yep.
Right. So moving over to my little section, I'll give Bianca the camera here. So I don't got much going on. Little things about me, in case you didn't know. I used to play music, and I have an old pickup, and I try to grow a mustache and a beard every now and then. Doesn't always work out. Aside from that, I have little lighting objects, so candles and a light bulb lamp kind of thing, and just some coasters, so I can use them here whenever I'm working. I tend to always be drinking some sort of beverage, so I don't want to damage the desk or make it look bad, so I just put a little coaster there. Moving over to the actual setup that I got going on. Since I'm a software developer, it's not super a necessity to have dual monitors, but it just helps out a lot. So I got my dual monitors here, a small keyboard. I like to be minimalist, so whatever's smaller and simpler is better for me. Got my wireless mouse, got my headphones over here. That was a little DIY that we made when I was bored, but it didn't work out that great, so I didn't record that one. Aside from that, every now and then I still use my notebook to write notes. I know you could just use the laptop or the computer, but writing things down just, helps out with my memory and whatnot. Moving forward, again, I already said that I like old trucks, or I own one, so I have a little like a draft, like a blueprint of the 1953 F100 Ford. So yeah, basically put it in a frame. And then we did this other DIY. I'll try to put some pictures and how we did it, but basically just got some planks and sand them down, paint them, scratch up some paint and whatnot. And Bianca did her word art. Basically put our initials and the date or the year that we started to go out. I don't know if you want to add anything more to that one? Cool.
I just really like the barn doors.
Yeah. Cool. Moving forward, I guess we'll go around and I'll let Bianca talk about this one.
So this is my section. Basically I too have a lamp. I like vintage things or antiques, and I have a look-alike of what's a lantern. A little quote, it's good to be home. My little fake plant. My diploma, it's a really good big accomplishment for me. And then I have my headphones. I also have a coaster, well, that Marco's made.
I mean, don't you have your camera normally there?
Yeah, my camera's usually here, but since we're recording,
yeah, just put a little something in there as a placeholder.
And then I have this little pin board where basically I put my goals or things that I want to accomplish. I always think it's better to write stuff down and you'll get it done. Our little pencil holder.
Yeah, all our materials, writing essentials and whatnot go there.
It spins.
Yeah.
A Kleenex. This is my desk setup. So basically here, I've always wanted to travel the world, and this is our scratch off map. So basically any place we go, we could scratch it off and try to get as many of them done. and I actually know where places are in the world. And then I have my laptop, my work laptop, headphones, personal and work. And then I have journals. If you know me, you know I have like a bunch of journals. Why? I don't know. I guess I have a work one, a personal one, all one, and then I just write stuff everywhere. And then I come to my little corner section. So I've been reading a lot, and I like to read more of self-improvement books. And I want a section where I can keep my books because they are growing and I don't have a place to put them. So as you can see, I have some there. And yeah, basically a sofa. And every night, I usually wake up in the morning and read, and it's pretty chilly, so blankets. And then I have this lamp. I really like this lamp. So I chose this corner because I like the sunlight in the morning, so I'm really close to the window.
You want to open it? I'm sure there's.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Right now it's kind of
super bright.
Yeah.
In the camera, it looks really bright.
I'll close it. And then we have this tree trunk. So you could see Marco's engraved our initials on it. And basically I can put my feet on here or put my book. I usually like leave it there after I'm done reading. And yeah, this is my little corner for me time and stuff that I want to get done.
That's cool. And that's basically it. The last thing you guys might have seen already in another video was our little mail. So thankfully we don't have mail right now. We finished all our bills and whatnot. So glad to see that empty. But yeah, it's basically it. That's how our office looks. It'll kind of try to get the whole office kind of farmhouse theme going on. Both it looks kind of stylish to, or the style that we want, but it also very effective to the careers that we're both doing. Yep.
Yeah, so it's both. I feel it's not so much farmhouse anymore, more of an industrial farmhouse in between. Yeah.
Right.
We got more dark colors than.
Yeah, we got pretty dark, but we try to keep things with wood as much as possible. So
yeah, we like wood.
Yeah.
Any ton of wood.
Cool. Alright guys, so that's basically it. This is the end of our farmhouse office renovation.
And hope you enjoyed it. If you liked a specific part of our office, let us know in the comments.
Yeah. I'll try to link all the series somewhere in below. And
yeah, share with a friend. And if you get motivated to do your own office, make sure to let us know. Share pictures. You'd like to see what you guys are up to.
Yep. So until then, see you next time. Don't
Bye,
forget
guys.
to like, subscribe, share, and see you soon.
Yeah.